Good morning, everybody. Okay, so just a little patio clean this morning. So just been told something really lovely. Customer says his son watches my channel and he's a subscriber. So yeah, small world. Really nice thing to hear first thing in the morning. So big up to you, Thomas. Thank you for the subscription, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, let's go and have a little walk around. I'll show you what I'm dealing with today. Okay. Alright, so we've got a little dwarf wall there. I'm assuming the customers put their pots on there, so they're not really after having it clean, but I mean, could do with a clean, so we'll move the pots for them and get that sorted. Very grimy. Lovely star pattern there. That'll come up nice. You can see black spot. What a surprise. Yeah, so I'll move all these tables. So I'll move these tables and chairs into the grass up here. Little pathway. So I'll put them there. Yeah. So yeah, this should come up lovely. Okay, so this bit here is actually a communal area between the two houses. So this is a semi-detached house. This side is the customers. This side is the neighbours. This is a shared walkway. So that's the neighbour's back gate. That's the customer's back gate right there. Now, I'm only here to clean this, but as a goodwill gesture, this bit here is a bit green and slimy up to about here because it's underneath this covered walkway. So the rest of it's fine. I will clean that for free. It's not a problem, it won't take me long. Right guys, I've done it again. The worst memory on the planet strikes again. I forgot to press record, so it's all down. I've just sprayed all this with the extra. I've just got that little bit there. I was just adjusting the camera thinking, right, I better turn that off while I adjust everything, and realised there's nothing to turn off because I haven't turned it on. Anyway, right, I'm just going to film this little bit. Anyway, let's do that. Right, excuse me if you can't hear me properly. My voice is all muffled by my mask, but I cannot take this off. As soon as I breathe the stuff in, it hurts my lungs. So precisely why I wear the mask, because I do not want COPD later on in life. But anyway, right go there. Right, so that's going to sit there for 10 minutes. I'll give it 15 actually. There's quite a lot of spots on it, and yeah, we'll rinse it off and then I'm done. Wall's been done. Yeah, looking good. Right, anyway, let's give it 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. Right. Right, so that is looking pretty black spot free. Can't tell completely until it's been washed off, but yeah, looking good. Okay, that is looking lovely. Look at that star come up. Alright, yeah, walls are done, furniture's back in place, pot's moved back. I'm done. I'm going to clean the windows and I'm heading off. See you on the next one.